It is annoying to add borders and colors by hand and easy to make a mistake. Instead of styling each cell, use Excel's built-in table feature. It gives your data a neat, professional look and makes the sheet easier to work with. First, why use a table? A regular range of cells is just loose data. An Excel table creates a container that gives you instant design with professional color schemes and alternating row shading. The headers stay visible as you scroll, so the column letters are replaced by your real column names, and you do not lose your place. Creating the table is easy. You do not have to highlight every cell. Click any single cell inside your block of data and go to the Home tab. Look for the button labeled Format as Table and open the drop-down. A gallery of light, medium, and dark styles appears. Pick one you like. I choose medium. Excel will detect the edges of your data and apply alternating colors and clear borders automatically. After you create the table, you will see a new Table Design tab on the ribbon. This is a contextual tab, which means it only appears when you are clicking inside the table. If you click a blank cell outside the table, the tab goes away. On the Table Design tab, you can change the table name in the name box. Switch styles quickly using the gallery. If you click Table Style Options drop-down button, you can turn banded rows on or off to control the striped look and add or remove filter buttons in the headers and much more. These tools make it fast to change the look and behavior of your table without touching individual cells. One of the best parts is how the table handles new data. Click the first empty cell below the table, type a value, and press Enter. The table expands down to include that row. The new row gets the same colors and borders, and any filters or formulas that refer to the table will include the new data automatically. This saves you from reformatting and keeps formulas working as your list grows. Using tables is a simple habit that makes spreadsheets cleaner and less error-prone. For ongoing lists, reports, or any data you add repeatedly, convert the range to a table and let Excel do the formatting for you. If this was useful, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment and tell me what problem you want me to solve in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.